Hey, what's up guys? So here I have is the SPX 500 Pro Form, and the original sounds very bad already. Okay, so I decided to buy some replacements. Or these right here. Get it open. Okay, so they look just like this. The other one. Okay, it is pretty close to these right here. So let's put them on and we'll see what happens. You can see here, turn it off. It's right. So with a 5/8, we take it off. Okay, and we'll grab the new one. Okay, once you get it started, see here, once you get it started, you'll be all set. Okay, that one's locked in. Take it out. Now we go to the left side. Okay, the same exact thing. The 5/8. You take it off. So basically, you unscrew it. This side wasn't making really no noise, but now I'm gonna replace both of them. Okay, so it's off. So basically, the same thing. Get it started. Okay, once you get it started, Okay, lock it in. There you go. So these are basically, you have this little, clamp it up. You squeeze it right here, and it opens right up. So you can get your feet in. And then to this side, same thing, but now it is good. Okay, so let's open it a little more and give it a try. Okay, they're on, and you're good to go. Doesn't make no noise now. Awesome. Perfect.